Shall we have a conversation about high limit credit union credit cards that approve you with no income proof? I think this is a legit, relevant conversation that we need to have. So I want to share with you the top 10 high limit credit union credit cards that approve you with no income proof. Don't you go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it.
One in a million, one in a million, one in a million. You know they're coming up to me, cause I'm just the kind of flower that's stinging in the beat, but the rhythms getting higher. Go, 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 go. One in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million.
Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweet Q Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you had to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 high-limit credit union credit cards that approve you with no income proof. Now, I want to say right off the bat that when we talk about no income proof, we are talking about no income proof from a legitimate job. In other words, you don't have a W-2, you don't have a 1099, or you don't have a pay stub. So this is really what we consider the traditional income proof, okay? So number 10, we have here ACU Green Rewards Card. Our score, 7/10. So this credit union requires a minimum income of $18,000 a year. So, and they are okay with substitutes to income proof. So you can show your tax returns, a new hire letter, an unemployment documentation, a court order payment, a pension statements, Social Security award letter. So they accept all those as substitutes to income proof, okay? And the minimum length of a relationship you need to have with them, 18 months before you can qualify for a loan with no income proof, okay? So this is really good. So for people with less than perfect credit, the ACU Green Rewards Visa card is the perfect card when you want cashback and plenty of benefits, okay? So the cashback rewards is at 0.5%. The card has no annual fee. And the APR, you have an APR is 15.99%. That's fixed APR. And APR on balance transfers, $6.99. So this is a great card that has a low interest rate, cashback rewards, no annual fees ever. And you have a very high performing online and mobile banking and card app, okay? So this is really great. And you have auto rental, collision damage waiver, you have Visa checkout, you can monitor your purchase, you have EVM security chip, okay? If you have a poor or fair credit, there's no problem. And you have a 25-day grace period on payments rather. So this is a great card. Number 10, ACU Green Rewards Card. Number 9, we have Credit Human Rate Preferred MasterCard. Our score is 7.5/10. The income required for this credit card is $15,000 per year. We are speaking about gross income, okay? And the substitute to income proof, they are okay with your tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payment, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statement, okay? The minimum length of relationship with they want from you, 15 months, okay? And the APR can go as low as 8.65% on purchases and cash advances. Balance transfers as low as 7.90%. No annual or balance transfer fee. And you have protection against loss or stolen data. This is really good. And what we love is that you also have price protection and extended warranty services. So when you use your rewards preferred MasterCard for purchases, you gain savvy consumer protection. For example, if you see a lower price in a printed advertisement or non-auction internet advertisement for a product you purchase with your MasterCard, the difference is covered up to $250 for eligible items. So this is really good. So you have identity theft protection. You have no annual fee, and you have an easy online access. This is a wonderful card. Number 8, we have here the Alliant Visa Platinum. Our score 8/10. So the minimum income required for this card, $14,000 per year, and the substitutes to income proof, they will accept tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, okay? And the minimum length of relationship, 18 months for this card, okay? And this card has a 0% APR introductory rate for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. This is really good. And after that, the APR is goes from 10.49% to 22.49%. Okay, this is really good. And what we love is that this is a great for balance transfers to consolidate your debt from high interest cards into one payment. You have $0 for liability guarantee, no annual fee, EMV chip for enhanced security. This is really good, okay? And we love the fact that this card has generous credit lines, low standard APRs, and works very well with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. Wonderful card. So the Aligned Visa Platinum, 8/10. Number 7, we have Consumers Credit Union Visa Platinum. Our score 8.5/10. So the income required, the minimum income required here is $18,000 per year. And the substitute to income proof, tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statements, business contract showing payment amount and schedule. Okay, and the minimum length of relationship, 15 months. They want you to be around for 15 months first before applying for a no income proof personal loan. So this, not personal loan, credit card. And the thing is that this card is great because it has a 0% APR on new purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. This is really good, okay? And this is their lowest rate card. They have generous credit limits and no annual fee. And here are more great reasons, in our view, that you need to apply for this card. So the APR, the intro APR is wonderful. You have competitive rates, no annual fees. You have automated fraud alerts, okay? You have balance transfers. You have decent fees on balance transfers and cash advances. You have a secure online account review and payment options from the CCU sites. E-statements are not available, okay? And we love the fact that you have travel and emergency assistance services that include everything from medical and legal referrals, emergency ticket replacement, and more. This is really good. Number 6, folks, we have Service Credit Union Visa Everyday. Our score 8.5/10. The income required here, minimum $12,000 per year. The substitutes to income proof, we have tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statement, Social Security award letter. So those will qualify as substitutes to income proof. And the minimum length of relationship with this credit union, 12 months. Okay, this is really good. And so with a limit of up to $20,000, no annual fee and no hidden APR purchases for late payments, there are no surprises with the everyday credit card. We love the fact that this card has a generous credit limit. 20,000, this is really good, okay? And so you have a 0% intro APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers. And after that, the APR will oscillate from 8.40% to 16.40%. This is really good. And the card has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, no hidden APR increases for late payments. This is really good, okay? And they have travel and emergency assistance services, and they have emergency card replacement. So overall, this is a great card. The Service Credit Union Visa Everyday, 8.5/10. Number 5, we have the First Tech Platinum MasterCard. The income required minimum $21,000 per year. The substitutes to income proof, tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statement, okay? And the minimum length of relationship to apply for a no income proof credit card with them, 12 months, okay? So the First Tech Platinum MasterCard is really good because the card has low rates, no annual fee, and no worries for that matter, okay? And so you have an APR that goes as low as 6.99% and as high as 18%. This is really good. And you have an introductory 0% APR balance transfer for 12 billing cycles, which means what? More money in your pocket. Because think about it, this card has no annual fee, no balance transfer fee or cash advance fee, no foreign transaction fee, and it has low rates. This is really good. And on top of that, you have a lot of benefits. You have identity theft resolution services. You have chip and PIN transaction authentication. You can manage your account and monitor transactions anytime, anywhere with their free mobile app. You can shop effortlessly and simply with digital wallet programs. So this is really good. Okay, this is really, really good. Number 4, folks, we have Fairwinds Cashback Visa. I will score 9 over 10. With this card, the income required minimum is $15,000 per year. The substitutes to income proof, you have tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statements, business contract showing payment amounts and schedule. Okay, and the minimum length of relationship here, 18 months. So you have an APR that ranges from 10.24% to 18% based on your credit worthiness, and this will vary based on the market and also on the prime rate. Okay, so here are some interesting features you will love with this card. With the Fairwinds Cashback Visa, you have 1.5% cashback on all purchases. This is really good because there are no rotating categories, no confusing statements, no confusing rows. It's 1.5% cashback on all purchases, and you have a 0% intro APR rate on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months after your account opening, and after that, as I said before, APR will go from 10.24 to 18%. So the card has no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, mobile wallet solutions for Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. And you can receive your cash back on demand when you want them through a statement credit or a direct deposit to a Fairwinds account of your choice. Okay, and you can personalize your card with your own custom image for $15. So here are additional Fairwinds Cashback Visa card features. You have a purchase security program. This is really good. You have shipped. You have so far sounds. You have travel protection, warranty manager service, account alerts, ID navigator, online self-service, roadside dispatch, and zero liability. Fantastic. Number 3, folks, we have the Connexus Max Cash Preferred. I will score 9.5 over 10. Here, the income required $21,000 per year. That's minimum. Substitute to income proof, tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, pension statements, Social Security award letter, business contract showing payment amount and schedule. Okay, the minimum length of relationship they want you to have with them, 12 months. So with this card, the Connexus Max Cash Preferred, you get more value with up to 5% cashback in 2 categories you choose. This is just wonderful. The APR for purchases is a little high. You have 14.74% to 23.74% based on your credit worthiness when you open your account. Okay, and there is an intro APR for balance transfers, 0% intro APR for the first 12 billing cycles for balances transferred within 366 days, 366 days from account opening. And after that, the APR will go from 14.74 to 23.74, as I said. And you have 2% unlimited cashback on one everyday category of your choice, 1% unlimited cashback on all other eligible purchases, and you have a $150 bonus reward after you spend $500 within the first 90 days of account opening. Okay, so when you think about this card, you have so many rewards, 5% cashback from 2 categories like this: cell phone providers, TV, internet, and streaming, home utilities. You can redeem for deposit into eligible checking or savings account, statement credits, or rewards card. This is really good, okay? And what I want to say is that you also can think about an intro APR for balance transfers. This is really good because for 12 billing cycles, you are getting 0% intro APR. So this is fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I'm still talking to you about the top 10 high limits credit union credit cards that approve you with no income proof. Number 2, we have the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature. I will score 9.5 over 10. The income required $18,000 minimum per year, and we're talking about gross income though, okay? Substitute to income proof, tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statements. And the minimum length of relationship, 24 months. If you want to qualify for this no income proof credit card. Okay. So with this PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa signature, you actually have a 2% cash back on all purchases for if you are a PenFed Honors Advantage member, and otherwise you have 1.5% cash back on all purchases. You have $100 statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. This is a really good deal. Really, when you think about it, it's a really good deal. The card has no annual fee, and the purchase APR that goes from 14.99% to 17.99%. And you have a 0% promo APR on balance transfers for 12 months from account opening. This is really good. And the card has no fees, no annual fees at all, no foreign transaction fees. You have enhanced security with 24/7 fraud monitoring. You have chip-enabled cards. You have secure remote commerce. You have tokenized account numbers in your mobile wallet. You can transfer balances, and you have discounts such as member discounts, Visa signature discounts, and PenFed is available. It's available 24/7. Wonderful. Number one, the best of the best in our view, the Navy Fed Cash Rewards. This is, in our view, the best high limits credit union credit card that approves you with no income proof. So the income required $12,000 per year. That's minimum. That's gross income minimum. And substitute to income proof, tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court order payments, pension statements, Social Security award letter, workers' compensation or disability insurance statement, business contract showing payment amount and schedule. Okay, and the minimum length of a relationship here, 24 months. So when you think about this, the Navy Fed Cash Rewards, you actually can earn up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases, and you can redeem as soon as you earn. That's just fantastic. Think about it. The card has no annual fee, and the APR is kind of decent. It oscillates from 9.65% to 18%. This is really good. So overall, in our view, this card is great for getting cash back, everyday spending, and if you have a poor, average, or good credit, you can qualify. This is really good, okay? And the card has no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, no cash advance fee. Fantastic, fantastic, wonderful. And you actually have 24/7 access to stateside member reps. You have no balance transfer or foreign transaction fee. I just said that. You have the ability to freeze and unfreeze your cards. You have zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions, fraud notifications, and you have access to your credit score. That's just wonderful. Let me quickly give you an overview before we actually close to this conversation. So when we talk about credit union cards that approve you with no income proof, it's important to define what we mean by income proof. So traditionally, income proof at its strictest sense, means pay stubs, 1099s, pay stubs, 1099s. I'm blanking on the third one here. Pay stubs, 1099, and your W-2. Yeah, I got it. Your W-2s. So the bottom line, we are speaking about the strictest proof of income that comes from your employer. Now, there are cases where a lot of people have some source of income, but they don't have it regularly. They don't have it structured. In other words, in a relationship with an employer. Okay, so this is where there are a lot of credit unions that are open with having substitutes to income proof. So I've given you a lot of substitutes in today's conversation. So it's important to understand that when we talk about proof of income, it's basically money that you get on a regular basis. Okay, regular basis. And proof of income is important for a lot of credit unions and banks for that matter, because they want to make sure that you can repay them back. That's what they care about. They want to make sure that you actually pay them back, that you have sufficient cash inflows to pay them back. That's what that matters. So what counts as proof of income? You have pay stubs, I just said that, W-2s, 1099s. Those are the primary sources of income, or not sources, the primary proofs of income. And then you have the secondary evidence of income. So you have tax returns, new hire letter, unemployment documentation, court-ordered payments. Okay, so we're talking about settlement agreements, alimony payments, and child support. If you have pension statements, so let's say if you are retired, your pension might make up a significant portion of your income. So a 1099-R tax form can verify your pension distribution. okay, and you can have a Social Security award letter, okay, and you can also have workers' compensation or disability insurance statement. So anyone receiving workers' compensation can list this as income on any credit union, personal loan, or personal credit card application. You just need to provide a copy of the document showing how much you receive and how often you receive it. In some cases, you might want to show also proof of a contract between you and a third party that shows the amount of the contract and how often the payments will be made, okay? And if you are a self-employed applicant, you can provide a 1099 miscellaneous tax form, a 1040 tax form, or a business manifest. So a business manifest that shows what you pay yourself plus a copy of your business license should do, okay? Before I close today's conversation, please check out this approach. We have a wonderful approach, a wonderful methodology on this show when it comes to ranking, categorizing, and reviewing credit union cards, okay? Check this out. All right, here are the top 10 high-limit credit union credit cards that approve you with no income proof. Number 1, Navy Fed Cash Rewards, 10 over 10. Number 2, the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, the Connexus Max Cash Preferred, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, Fairwinds Cashback Visa, 9 over 10. Number 5, First Tech Platinum MasterCard, 9 over 10. Number 6, Service Credit Union Visa Everyday, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the Consumers Credit Union Visa Platinum, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, the Consumers Credit Union Visa Platinum, 8.5 over 10. Number 7. Number 8, we have the Alliant Visa Platinum, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have the Credit Human Rate Preferred MasterCard, 7.5 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, the ACU Green Rewards Card, 7 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.